Hi, today I'm gonna show you how to cook chicken panang curry. This food in Thai language we call panang kai. It looks like spicy but it's not spicy. Today I use chicken 950 gram. And coconut milk 450 ml. And next is red curry paste 110 gram. And fish sauce 2 or 3 tablespoons. Sugar 50 gram. Red chili and Kaffir lime leaf. So the panang is not much ingredients, it's very easy to make. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I'm gonna show you how to cut the chicken. You need to cut the chicken like this, the small piece like this. Do not cut the big piece because the chicken will take the longer time to cook. After finish, you just put to the plate, and the next one I will show you how to cut the red chili. For the chili, I will slice the chili very small piece like this, because this chili I will put as a topping of the curry. So now I'm gonna show you how to cut Kaffir lime leaves. So I will roll the leaf like this. No, like this. And after that, you just cut very small piece like this, the same like this, because this leaf I just put on topping, and this leaf is a very good smell. So for the first, I will put coconut milk 250 ml. After that, just little bit cook for 2 or 3 minutes. Just wait for the coconut milk is hot like this. After that, I will put red curry paste. After your red curry paste and the coconut milk is mixed well, so the next step, I will put the chicken. Just put all the chicken one shot. And after that, you just slowly cook for 5 minutes. So like just for sure the chicken is little bit cooked, and after that you will put the next ingredients. First to check the sugar. Okay, now I think it's perfect. So the next one, I will put the water. After this, you just mix well and wait till the chicken is cooked around 5 minutes. After the chicken is already cooked, I will put the balanced coconut milk 200 ml. After this, I will put the red chili, but no need to put all, just put a little bit for the taste. Thank you for watching Cook with Kift. Please like and subscribe for more easy recipes. See you next time. Bye bye.